And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the family of a woman killed by a fallen tree during the passage of Hurricane Beryl in Hanover is still in disbelief.
Kean Sterling has left behind a spouse who witnessed the tragic incident and two sons, ages 17 and 9. Ramarda Lyons has details.
She's a great help. She's a great help. Towards the kids, the mommy, so they always have to try.
Pain and sorrow in the wake of Beryl. The hurricane may now be a thing of the past, but for Kean Sterling's family, it will always be present at the mention of her name. It's the reason why they grieve. Reports are that about 4:45 p.m. on Wednesday, the 32-year-old went to make checks on internet wires at the back of her home in Hanover. During the process,
she was crushed by a downed tree where residents contacted the police immediately, after which the Jamaica Fire Brigade as well as the emergency medical technicians rushed to the scene.
Her spouse and the father of her two sons is the picture of heartache. Before being consoled by the officer, he said their older child, who's 17, is emotionally unwell.
The big one have a hard time. He gets so angry yesterday, nobody can control him. So I have to hug him and bring him back around. So I have to stay around like that. And not come back around. So come look at him, look on it. It's a total different man.
The boy was supposed to be graduating high school, but it was postponed because of Beryl. Now, the younger child, who's 9,
not fully in control of what's going on, but he realize the mommy gone, but he cry, and he say, look once.
It was at this moment the father, who was measuring his children's response to the tragedy, learned that he himself was perhaps suffering the most. In the very last moments before the incident, he was atop the house. Miss Sterling was below, trying to outrun the falling tree. But as he recalled,
they said the tree they come and he turn up where the button tree on this side, and I said the tree, and he hear the rope go bow. I'm stand up steady because I can't move because the house like that. So instead of she stand up same place, I go under the drop my tree, she start run to see if she could have run it out. But the bush did on the whole her. So he's like he can't move accurately the way she's supposed to.
Her next move?
You see him go down, so like, but right there the tree drop on her and but hurry up and come over the house stop and run good and me the call and I clear the bush and the car, but me realize say the tree drop in our side. And when they remove the leaf on her face, me notice me see blood here, so. So from this, me confused, me just run and call everybody. And
now, warnings from the police.
All the instructions from the Office of the Disaster Preparedness entity, we are to observe them and pay particular attention to areas where are flooded, gullies, areas that are situated with large trees surrounding them. And whenever a warning is given to stay indoor, they ought to do so.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.